So ladies and gentlemen, let me show you this free productivity monster tool which changed my workflow completely. And I use this tool every day to manage my WordPress websites. There are so many unique things about this tool, but let me tell you the most important one. Imagine one day your website is broke and you cannot even log in into WordPress dashboard. In that emergency situation, you can still connect to your website using this tool and you can restore your website or you can manage plugins or themes on your website. So I highly recommend using this tool. It will bring you a lot of peace and improve your productivity. So no more suspense. This tool is ManageWP, which is so useful that you do not need backup restore plugins, you do not need security malware check plugins, and you do not need even maintenance mode plugin for the times when you put your website on maintenance mode. So these were just the top feature. There's so many I'm going to show you right now. So let's go into my screen and check this tool in detail. So this is a website for ManageWP. You can check this website. I'll put link in the description. So once you create an account and you log in into ManageWP, you can see I'm managing 16 websites here via this tool. I'll show you later how to add a website, but for now, let's see what are important features. So you can add as many websites you want. It is completely free to manage your websites. There's some features which are paid, but I don't use any paid feature. Let me show you what I use and how it can be important for you also. So let's take an example of this website. This is my website, letscreateyourwebsite.com. If you click here, it will open the website dashboard. If you click on WordPress sign, it will securely log in directly you to your WordPress dashboard. You do not need to enter username password. And there's a backup restore link and there's a setting link. So let's check the main option, which is website dashboard. So I click on the here and you can see it will show me all the plugins I have installed on my website and which require updates. It will show you updates for themes, for WordPress version. And if you want, you can just click here, update all, and you can update all the plugins in one go. On the right side, you can see backups. So last backup was 1 month ago. And you have some SEO option, optimization option. You can directly optimize database from here. And you have uptime monitor also, which is a paid feature. I do not use that. And if you want, you can just write some notes also. For example, if you want to do something on your website, you're planning something, you can just write notes here. So let's see everything one by one. So the most important is backup one, which I told you before. So if I click on backups, so you have free and premium version also available. In the free version, the backup is once in a month. I do not change a lot of things on my website, so I take a backup once a month. And you can restore a backup when you want. You can see the last backup was on 19th. So if I want to restore, I just click here, restore backup. And then if I want to exclude some content, file database, I can exclude those. Otherwise, I'll click on restore and it will completely restore my website. So this is a really important feature. And you can see some details about WordPress version, what was the backup size, the active theme, active plugins, published post. Let's see what's in the plugin tab. You can see all the plugins install my website. You can check the inactive plugins and you can check the plugins which require update. So for example, if some plugin break my website, what I will do, I'll come to ManageWP. I select the plugin here. I'll click on deactivate and the plugin will be deactivated for my website. And it will really save you a lot of time for you instead of going to cPanel or file manager and deactivating your plugin manually. Then we have themes. You can see the theme installed on your website. The same thing, you see the active themes, inactive themes and update available. You can directly update your themes from here. Then your users option, you do not need to log in into WordPress dashboard. You can create users directly from here. You can edit the existing users. Then we have local sync. It sync your website from local system to your server, but we are not going to cover that because there is a beta feature. Then you have link monitor. So it's a paid feature. If you want, you can activate this link, but I will not suggest you. It is not really important. There's so many free websites to do this stuff. Another important thing is the security. So what I do in the free version, if you can see here, on 25th, I have some problems on my website. It shows me the problem and I solve the problems. So what you can do in free version, you can click on check now and they're on-demand checks. If you want, you can pay $1 per every month and you can have regular checkups. I really like the free checkups because when I want to check my website, I just come here and perform a free check and it gives me all the information what is wrong with my website and I fix those things. This is a really nice feature. I do not need to install separate plugin on my WordPress website. When increase the load, I just directly come here and check the security of my website. You can see the check is done and there's some problems detected. There was no malware, but there's some vulnerabilities on the website. And if I click here, I can see what are these problems are. You can see this plugin, WP Fastest Cache. It has some vulnerability. So what I will do, I'll just update this plugin to the newest version and this problem will be gone. And then my WordPress debug mode is enabled. So I need to disable that mode. And in the end, you have web trust. So there is no problem with your website. You can check the problem with your website with Google Safe Browsing, Norton Safe Web, Fishtank, Opera Browser, Site Advisor. There's so many options which guide you about the security of your website. Really amazing feature. I highly recommend you to use this thing. And then your performance tab. If you click here on performance, you can check your website. You can select from the location you want to check your website. For example, my server is based in Europe, so I will select London, UK. I will check my website. This is the old tool used by GTmetrix. Now they changed this tool. Now they're using the Lighthouse, which is also used by Google PageSpeed. But if you want, it will give you a nice idea about your website performance. And you can even track your website, how it was performing last week, 1 month before, 2 months before. This is not a Google PageSpeed score results, but the GTmetrix result. And I really like the old GTmetrix. It gives a lot of information about your website speed. If you want, you can use this tool also. Then your uptime monitoring. If your website goes down, it will send you SMS or email. But it is a paid feature. If you want, you can activate this feature for 70 cents per month. And then your SEO ranking. This is again a paid feature. You can monitor your website rankings. But there's so many free tools available on internet. You can use those tools. Then you have client report. It is a really nice feature for the freelancers who manage the website for their clients. So everything what you do on their website, like updates, security checks, you can generate a report and send to your clients. And they'll be super happy to know what you're doing on their website. Their white label. This is again feature for freelancers or for agencies. If you want, you can remove all the managed WP branding and you can give login to your clients. So they come here and they can see your branding. In the end, your system info. It will show you all the details about your server, WordPress version, a lot of other details. I'm sure not everybody is interested in these kind of details. And again, the nice feature, maintenance mode. So if you're making some change on your website, you can just come here and with one click, you can put your website into maintenance mode. You can change the text which you want to show during maintenance mode from here. And with one click, without any plugin, you can put your website into maintenance mode. And then you have some code snippets. If you want to run some code on your website, you can do directly from here. And then your history, whatever happened on your website, if somebody logged in and what they did, you can see everything from here. I think you are convinced that there's a really nice tool. So let me show you how you can add this tool on your website. And guys, if you're new here, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel. I make unique videos which are very useful and which will improve your web skills. And big thank you to all the community members for your continuous support. So let me remove this website from here so I can show you how I added this website, and you can also add your website to manage WP. So I'm going to click here, remove website, and yes, remove website. To add new website, click here on plus icon and then click add website and enter your website URL you want to add on managed WP and click on add website. So first time they ask you your WordPress username and password. If you want, you can just add your username password and your website will be added. I prefer another method which is use connection key instead. So click here, use connection key. Then you need to log into WordPress website and from left sidebar, hover on plugins and click add new and search here manage WP worker. Click on install now. Once it installed, click activate. So this managed WP worker is installed on your website. If you scroll the page here now, you can find this managed WP worker. Click here on connection management, copy this code, and now we'll go back to managed WP and paste this code here and click on add website. And your website is added to managed WP. You can go to website dashboard and you can start managing your website directly from here. And guys, if you want to know how to increase your website speed significantly, check out this video on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button as hard as possible. Thank you so much. See you in another video.